Alum is also known as sphatic in Ayurveda. Alum is very beneficial for the skin, teeth, women's health issues, and coughs. It is used in two ways. It can be consumed orally in very small quantities or used externally. I will explain both methods in details. We will discuss all these things in this video. Alum is also known as potassium aluminum sulfate. Is an astringent. This means it constricts and dries tissues temporarily, reducing blood flow. This is why in ancient times people used it to stop bleeding from minor cuts and wounds. Medical research indicates that alum temporarily tightens the skin and mucous membranes, but repeated applications can cause skin irritation, dryness, and micro cracks. This is why it is considered dangerous for the delicate skin of the penis. Alum is used for specific medical conditions such as mouthwash for the mouth ulcers or throat infections, or to reduce infection in wounds, but only under a doctor's supervision and in limited quantities. Let's talk about the benefits of alum. First benefit is alum heals the skin after shaving. After small cuts occur after shaving or the skin feels irritated, in such cases, alum is extremely beneficial. It is applied after shaving because alum has bacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Since we cut the hair on our skin with a razor, there is a possibility of cuts. To restore the skin and heal these cuts, alum is massaged onto the entire face. This provides an antibacterial and antiviral effects. Help the cuts heal quickly, prevents infection and stops bleeding. It not only heals cuts quickly but also protects against infection and razor burn. Take a half inch or 1 inch piece of alum. Wet it thoroughly. Rub it on your face after shaving and let it dry. Second benefit is alum reduces body odor. After bathing, apply alum to your armpit. It will significantly reduce body odor. Why? Because it shrinks the pores on your skin and also has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. The antifungal properties kill the fungal growth that causes the odor, and by tightening the pores, it reduces sweating. The odor is caused by bacterial and fungal growth. Alum eliminates this and shrinks the pores on the skin, resulting in less sweat and less odor. Third benefit is alum provides relief from acne and pimples. Dermatologists state that alum has antibacterial properties and applying it to the face can help control acne and pimples problem. Therefore, if you are frequently get pimples on your face, washing your face with a diluted alum solution can be beneficial. Fourth benefit is alum gets rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Alum acts as a gentle exfoliator on the skin. It can remove dead skin cells and cleanse the pores. This gradually reduces blackheads and whiteheads, making the face look clean and radiant. Fifth benefit is alum reduces blemishes. Regular use of alum can reduce light blemishes on the face. It also helps to soften the skin and reduce irritation. Sixth benefit is alum reduces bleeding from the wounds. Alum is beneficial for controlling bleeding from the minor wounds on any part of the body. Alum helps to the control bleeding and speeds up the wound healing process. This is due to its hemostatic properties. How to use? Take 1 to 2 pinches of alum powder, mix it with a little coconut oil and apply it to the affected area to stop bleeding and promotes faster wound healing. To wash the wound, mix 2 to 3 pinches of alum powder in lukewarm water and wash the wound with this alum water 2 to 3 times a day. Then rinse with plain water. Seventh benefit is alum helps in wound healing. Alum helps in faster wound healing, reduces swelling and restores the skin to its normal condition. This is due to its astringent and healing properties. Alum also works on wound by stopping bleeding due to its hemostasis properties. How to use? Take 1/4 teaspoon of alum powder, mix it with water and heat it with 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool. Wash the wound with this water 2 to 3 times a day and repeat daily for faster healing. Yet benefit is alum reduces teeth yellowing. Do you have trouble with whitening your teeth? If so, alum is the solution for your problem. For this, you need to dissolve some alum in a glass of water and let it sit for a while. Once the alum is completely dissolved, rinse your mouth with the water. Usually, this daily can help reduce teeth discoloration. In addition, dissolve 1 gram of alum and a pinch of rock salt in warm water and then rinse your mouth with this solution. To clean your teeth, take just 2 to 3 pinches of alum powder and use it like toothpaste twice a day. Ninth benefit is alum to reduce mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers commonly occurs on the tongue, lips, inside the cheeks, inside the lower lip, or on the gums. Alum helps in the quick healing of mouth ulcers. This is due to its astringent and healing properties. How to use it? Take 1 to 2 pinches of alum powder. Mix it with honey as needed. Apply it to the affected area once or twice a day and repeat daily to heal mouth ulcers. 10th benefit is alum for reducing leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is a thick white discharge from the female genitals. Due to its astringent properties, alum is useful in treating leukorrhea when used for vaginal cleansing. How to use? Take 1/4 teaspoon of alum powder. Mix it with water and heat it for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool. Wash the affected area with this water 2 to 3 times a day. Repeat this daily to control leukorrhea. 11th benefit is alum for smelly feet. Do your feet still smell even after wearing shoes all day and putting on fresh socks? If so, there is a remedy: soaking your feet in alum water. How to use? Add a small piece of alum to a bucket of water. Once the alum dissolves, soak your feet in the water for 5 to 15 minutes. Doing this with the help of get rid of the unpleasant odor quickly. 12th benefit is alum reduces wrinkles. If you are worried about wrinkles on your face and are tired of using expensive cosmetics, then alum water can be very beneficial for you. How to use it? To do this, soak a piece of alum in water. Then pat the solution onto your face. After doing this for some time, wash your face with clean water. You will see amazing results. You can also try this on the wrinkles on your neck. 13th benefit is alum for cough problems. If you are suffering from asthma or chronic cough problems, alum can be very beneficial for you. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 or 2 pinches of alum powder. Take this mixture after a light meal. Use it twice a day for better results. So I hope you liked this video. See you in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.